at the same time as Uru Te Ngānana gave Te Awhiorangi and Te Whironui and the 6 poles to keep the separation permanent. He also gave 2 shells, and it was the role of Tūpai to play the shells for the first time to create the place of resonance for all sound, and also the determination of Te Ao Tukupu. Those 2 shells were known as Te Pūoro o Te Rangi, the resonance of the heavens, and Te Whārara o Te Rangi, the voluminous nature of Te Ao Tukupu. Tūpai played those 2 shells for tāne as a recognition of the achievement. And those 2 shells then formed the very first sound that resonated in Te wheiao, Te ao mārama, Te awatea. At the placement of the poles in the separation of sky and earth, the mana of that was recognised by the name for tāne as tāne te tokorangi and tāne nui arangi. Tūpai was recognised with the name rangi hapainga, te hapainga I te rangi. And those are the mana of the creation of Te Ao, Te Orokohanga o Te Ao. Of course, tāne had many other mana that were recognised by different names. Tāne te pēpeke, tāne te wānanga nui arangi, and then tāne mahuta that we all know, and then finally tāne whakapiripiri. Tāne whakapiripiri is the epitome of the encapsulation of all of these actions to create our cosmos in a way that we can understand. Tāne whakapiripiri is the epitome of the metaphor of the carved meeting house. The conjoining of all of the actions, not just of tāne, but of tāne in collaboration with our pre-human ancestors, Ngā Atua.